Hello guys, yeah, today I'm gonna do the cover song of the Thousand Years, which is the second part of the song. So let's do this. Day we met, frozen I held my breath right from the start. I knew that I found a home for my heart. Beat fast, colors and promises. How to be brave, how can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer, I die every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid, I will love you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stand still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave, I will not let anything take away. We're standing